Hi, I'm Cathy O'Shia with New Age Industrial, and today I'd like to talk to you about some of our specialty dollies. We have many dollies and a dolly for every application, but I'm just going to go through a few of them for you. The first one is the crisping basket dolly. This is designed to store your produce and then crisp it up in the refrigerator, pull it out for preparation and use in your food prep. It comes with plate type casters, which makes it incredibly durable and gives it a lot of longevity. Next, we're going to talk about our milk crate dolly. This is the 2-stack version. We also have a 4-stack. This is designed, obviously, to transport your milk crates around the kitchen. It's an angle dolly. You can move it. It's got plate type casters, which makes it easy to move and gives it durability. Next up is our chill pack dolly. This is designed to hold the standard chill pack basket, the Nestier and the Buckhorn style. It's an angle dolly, so you can stack the baskets up. We also have the option on this one for a handle, which we're not showing, but that is in our price list and our website. It has the plate type casters, which again gives it the heavy duty durability and longevity. Next up is our bread pan dolly. This is a basic angle dolly with our plate type casters, which again gives us much more durability and longevity in the dolly and also offers good weight bearing. This unit is a 5-strap, which is our basic, but we also have it in a 4-strap, and we can of course make any size you want. We can customize it for you. Okay, next up is our super dolly. This is an incredibly heavy-duty dolly that has a weight capacity of 2,800 pounds. I'm not sure who could pull it around if it weighed 2,800 pounds, but it's designed to hold that. This is made with heavy-duty tubing. It has larger casters. It also has the hook on the front, the $11.99 drag handle. This is a dolly that can be used for a multitude of things. I mean, we list it as a food service dolly, but you could use it for almost anything. Next up is our pizza dough box dolly. Again, obviously designed to hold the pizza dough box. This is used for proofing and storage of dough balls once they're prepared. This is a solid top angle dolly, and it has a sheet top with the angles turned up on the 3 sides so that you can easily slide the dough box in and out. It has plate type casters, which gives it the durability. Next up is our food box dolly. This unit is designed to take iced or frozen product from the receiving dock to the walk-in cooler for thawing or slacking. It has a removable drip tray below that you can take out for easy cleaning. This particular unit, unlike the other ones I've showed you, has a stem caster. This reduces the weight capacity but still gives you the same durability and longevity. We also have a chicken box version which doesn't have the handle, same style dolly, has the removable tray for easy cleaning, just designed to fit the chicken box. As with all our products and these dollies I've shown you today, everything is made in the USA, and we offer a lifetime warranty against rust and corrosion. If you'd like more information or to specialize one of these dollies, visit us at newageindustrial.com or email us sales@newageindustrial.com.